to do with Maharashtra and what happened with the not so good performance of BJP in the recently concluded Lok Sabha elections right after Devendra Fadnavis offered to resign as Deputy Chief Minister of the state. Today he was in the national capital. He met with Union Home Minister Amit Shah. That meeting lasted for about 40 minutes. Now we're learning is that Fadnavis has been instructed to continue his duties as the Deputy Chief Minister as of now. It's unlikely that the top brass of the BJP will accept his resignation. My colleagues Prashant and Yesha joining us, getting us more details. Prashant, coming to you first. अभी के लिए लगता है इस्तीफे का डिसीजन टल गया है?
बराबर, इस्तीफे का जो डिसीजन था वो टल गया है। इस वक्त में भाजपा के जो अध्यक्ष है जेपी नड्डा, उनके जो उनका डिसीजन है उनके वहां पे हो, इसी यहाँ पे अमित शाह आए हुए हैं, एकनाथ शिंदे भी है। लेकिन कुछ देर पहले जब देखा गया है कि अमित शाह और देवेंद्र फडणवीस इनकी लगभग 40 मिनट की मुलाकात हुई है। इस मुलाकात में तय हुआ है कि देवेंद्र फडणवीस इस वक्त इस्तीफा देंगे नहीं, क्योंकि जब तक विधानसभा के संदर्भ में जो उन्होंने मास्टर प्लान दिया है उसको सही तरीके से आगे बढ़ाया नहीं जाता है, तब तक उनको इस्तीफा देने से मना किया गया है। क्योंकि ये इस्तीफे का नहीं है, इस तरह का जो जानकारी है, इस तरह जो इंफॉर्मेशन है ये भाजपा सोर्सेस से मिली है। साथ में ये भी है कि जब अमित शाह नहीं बोलेंगे तब तक देवेंद्र फडणवीस देंगे नहीं। एक सही बात है कि देवेंद्र कहा 2 दिन पहले कि इस संदर्भ में कि गृह मंत्री मुक्त किया जाए, पार्टी के काम रखा भी तय किया गया कि महायुति के तो उनको जिम्मेदारी उठाने को बूस्ट करना पड़े, जिम्मेदारी मैं अपने खांदे पे लूंगा और जो होम मिनिस्ट्री की जो जिम्मेदारी है उससे मुक्त किया जाए। लेकिन अभी अमित शाह जी ने उनको मना कर दिया है, इसलिए उनका इस्तीफा अभी कुछ महीनों के लिए टल गया है, ऐसा ही हम कह सकते हैं।
कुछ टाइम तक टल गया है। महाराष्ट्र के इलेक्शंस भी होने वाले हैं कुछ महीनों बाद. Prashant, do stay on with us. Yasha, my colleague, also joining us, getting us more details. Yasha, whether the decision on Devendra Fadnavis's resignation is taken until the elections are called in the state, or if it happens after Prime Minister Modi swearing in, that's something that we don't have clarity just yet. This is something that we're given to understand that Amit Shah told Devendra Fadnavis that let's discuss this after the swearing in.
Absolutely. In fact, Poonam, what we hear from our BJP sources is that the resignation of Devendra Fadnavis, which was with Amit Shah, is unlikely to be accepted. In fact, as far as the details of the discussion between the two of them are concerned, it is Devendra Fadnavis who has been asked to continue in his role as the Deputy Chief Minister and the Home Minister of the state. In fact, when you speak of Maharashtra, like you rightly mentioned, Maharashtra is heading into elections. Apart from that, when you speak of the state of Maharashtra, once the swearing in of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is over, there would be a cabinet expansion in the state as well. So considering all of these aspects are into consideration, in fact, for the last decade, Devendra Fadnavis has been the key person in the state who's been instrumental in all the elections, who's been a driving force, also the Chief Minister as the Deputy Chief Minister for the last decade. He has several responsibilities on to him, that of the party as well as that of the state, which is why with all of these aspects into consideration, of course, there was a buzz within the political circles about a new Deputy Chief Minister from the state of Maharashtra, from the BJP Maharashtra unit being appointed in position of Devendra Fadnavis. But that is the decision completely lied on Amit Shah. Here, however, BJP sources have said that Amit Shah is unlikely to accept his resignation. As of now, he's been asked to continue with his duties. What will be terms, what will be negotiation that will take place later, on what grounds will be asked to continue as his role as Deputy Chief Minister, also to understand his importance when it comes to the Vidhan Sabha elections in the state. All of this is something that will be of crucial importance. However, later on, once swearing in is over, is where there could be a further discussion in the BJP circles about this decision taken by Devendra Fadnavis. Yes.
Thank you so much for getting us the latest. We will keep a track of what's transpiring as far as Maharashtra is concerned. But for now, shifting focus to Andhra Pradesh. The TDP and its re-entry into the NDA is not just good news for the BJP as far as the central government is concerned. Andhra Pradesh also witnessed a TDP-BJP Janasena storm. We did speak to